As Russia's losses keep rising, Ukrainian drone army is staying busy, as even the smallest of drone can make a major difference on the battlefield. As a heavily armored tank being attacked by a drone dropping smaller grenades shouldn't be any major threat, but as Russian tank operators almost always leave the hatches open when abandoning the tank, as seen here, the result can be a quick chain reaction, making the ammunition inside to detonate at once, tossing the tank's part in all directions, making sure one less tank can be brought back into service, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.